Why is the administrative settings disabled on Windows 11? Hello everyone. The administrator account in Windows 11 is not typically disabled by default as it is crucial account. However, some of the reasons could be: the first one is user account control. This can help to prevent unauthorized changes to the computer. So for this, open the user account control settings and ensure it is not set to the highest level. The next thing that you can check is group policy. You need to go to the Windows setting, then on security settings under local policies and security options. Check for the policies that might affect the administrative account. The third reason could be malware. So make sure to scan for malware using any reputable antivirus or anti-malware program. Similarly, the last solution could be creating a new user account. If the administrator account is still not working, try create a new account with the administrative privileges. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.